Some say love, it is a river that drowns the tender reed. Some say love, it is a razor that leaves your soul.
Service to your husband. Gerald, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife? Will you love and honor each other as one man, husband and wife, for the rest of your lives?
Yes. It's only seed. It's the heart afraid of breaking that never learns to dance. It's the dream afraid of waking that never takes the chance. It's the one who won't be taken, who cannot seem to give, and the soul afraid of dying that never learns to live. Sun's love in the spring becomes the rose.
Here we stand today, like we always dreamed, starting out our life together. Light